My name is Rachel. I am 34 years old. I am the mother of 3 daughters. Their names are Hannah, Lucy, and Emma. They are my whole world. I love them more than anything. But life is not easy. It has never been easy. When I was a little girl, my mother died. I was only 9 years old. After that, I lived with my grandmother. She was kind, but she was also very old. She passed away when I was 16. I met my husband when I was 19. He was funny and sweet in the beginning. We got married quickly. At 20, I had my first daughter, Hannah. Then came Lucy, then little Emma. But when Emma was only a baby, he left us. No note, no phone call. He just disappeared. He never sent money. He never asked about his daughters. It was like we never existed. Since then, I have been alone. I do not have family. I do not have friends who can help. I live in a small apartment. The building is old. The walls are thin. The heater is weak. Every month I pay rent. Every month I worry. I do not have a good job. I do not have a college degree. I do not have many choices. But I am strong. I never give up. I work as a taxi driver, but I do not own a car. Each month I rent a car to drive. It is expensive after paying for the car and gas. I have little money left, but I still drive every day, every night. Some people are kind. Some people are not. Some people smile and say thank you. Some people shout. Some people don't pay. Some leave trash in the back seat. But I do not stop because I must earn money. I need to buy food. I need to buy clothes for my girls. I need to pay rent. I need to keep the lights on. Sometimes I drive until midnight. Sometimes I drive while I am sick. Sometimes I drive when I want to cry. When I come home, my girls are already asleep. I sit beside them. I look at their faces. They are so peaceful. They are so beautiful. I kiss their foreheads. I whisper, I love you every night. I promise myself one day life will be better. One day my girls will smile more. One day we will have more than just enough. But one evening something terrible happened. It was very cold. The sky was dark. The wind was strong. The rain was heavy. I picked up my daughters from school. Hannah, my oldest, sat in the front. Lucy and Emma sat in the back. Mom, I'm cold, little Emma said. She was only 5. Her voice was soft and tired. I know, sweetie, I said. We'll be home soon. I turned on the heater, but the car stayed cold. The roads were quiet. There were no other cars. The lights were dim. The road was wet and icy. I held the steering wheel tight. My hands were shaking. My heart was beating fast. Then a flash of light. A loud noise. A terrible crash. Pain. Darkness. I woke up to a white ceiling. I heard a beeping sound. I smelled medicine. I was in a hospital. I tried to move, but my body hurt. I tried to speak, but my throat was dry. Then I remembered my daughters. Where were they? Hannah, Lucy, Emma, I whispered. A nurse came to me. She had kind eyes. Don't move too much, she said. You were in an accident. My daughters, I whispered. Where are my daughters? She touched my hand. They're here. They are safe. Tears filled my eyes. I wanted to see them. A few minutes later, the door opened. 3 small girls ran into the room. Mama, they cried. They hugged me. They kissed me. I cried. I held them tight. The doctor came in. He looked serious. You have a broken leg, he said. You need surgery. You need time to rest. But I can't rest, I said. I have to work. I have to pay rent. The doctor looked sad. You need to heal first. Then I remembered something worse. The car. I rented the car. Now it was destroyed. The owner wanted $20,000. I had nothing. No savings. No help. I covered my face. I cried. My daughters held me. They cried too. I was broken. I felt small. I had no hope. The next day, something happened. Something I never expected. A nurse came into the room with a newspaper. There was a picture of me and my daughters. Your story is online, she said. People are reading it. Someone shared what happened to you. People say you're brave. They want to help. I didn't understand why strangers would help me. But soon, people started sending money. Not a lot, but enough. We had warm food, clean clothes. We paid rent for that month. One night, I got a phone call. A deep voice said, I saw your story. I want to help you. Who are you? I asked. You will see soon, he said. 2 days later, a group of people came to the hospital. They brought flowers, toys, and warm clothes. Then a young man walked in. He had kind eyes. He smiled. You don't know me, he said, but I know you. Why do you want to help me? I asked. Because I can, he said. I cried. He touched my hand. You don't have to say anything. They paid my hospital bills. Every cent. 2 weeks later, I left the hospital. My leg was still healing. They took us to a beautiful house. This is your new home, he said. No rent. No debt. We cried together. Later, he asked, what is your biggest dream? I want to open a small supermarket, I said. Then let's make it happen, he smiled. And he did. Today, I open my store every morning. I smile. I welcome people. I thank the kindness of strangers. I thank Daniel. But most of all, I thank my daughters because they gave me a reason to fight. They gave me a reason to live. This story is not just mine. It is ours. And I truly believe, even in the darkest times, kindness and hope can change everything.